I just want to thank everybody here tonight. I had Poncho here and I was thinking, damn, that'd be sick. 10 minutes of comedy before we start. Poncho, No, Chico was asking me like how long I've been working on this, and I laughed and I was like, well, in 1991 I filmed the first trick, so it's been pretty long. Phil beat Max in the regionals in San Jose to go to Atlanta, but he didn't have a ride, so me and Phil drove across country and we went to the skate zone and Sharugi hooked us up with thunder trucks and car wheels, baby, San Francisco style. We swallowed for gas and we got there, and the whole way there, Phil wanted to listen to Weird Al Yankovic. And when we got there, he's like, fuck it, dude, I'm skating to Weird Al. So it's fat and weak, what a disgrace. Third wall, he's laughing his head off and eats shit, and he's like, I can't skate to that again. Like, that was crazy. But that's who Phil was. He didn't really, like, Cardiel said it, and I was like, yeah, you know, he's like, he didn't really care about, like, I'm gonna be Sodi, dude, I'm running for it. I'm gonna drop all my parts and all that shit. It was like, he just ripped. Like, no matter where you were, he ripped. And the craziest part is that Mark and I grew up with him. You know, we met him in high school or whatever it was, but he was still our friend. He ran with the Hellride crew, but he came back to the peninsula and he was still Phil. And that's just something that, like, is really special. And the last thing I want to say is, this is an emotional ride. Phil got me the job at Think Skateboards because I was filming with him. And when, yeah, so when Phil passed away, we were like, Ink was across the street from Thrasher, and we're on the sidewalk, and we're just like, what the fuck? This was the first dude in our life that died that was like not supposed to die. So it was like really shocking for us. And Jake walks up to me, and I didn't know Jake well at that time. And he just looks at me like he does. He's like, Schmity, you're working for the mag. And I was like, wait, really? You're gonna fire me in like a week? You hate everyone. But it opened the door, and I stuck with it, and I've been there 27 years, and Phil's been dead 27 years. And right here is a testament to the best magazine in skateboarding and the world. Thrasher magazine. It's still in print. Can you say that about Sports Illustrated, Rolling Stone, any of that? We are doing it. So, Chris Joslin for Sodi. The week continues. Thanks everybody for coming out. The Legend of Phil Shao.
And we're going to start this in just about